As a first step, we can take 1 over 64 as a power on both sides. So we get 4 to the x to the power of 1 over 64 equals to x to the 64 to the power of 1 over 64. And of course the power on the right cancels, which leaves us with 4 to the x over 64 equals to x to the 1. Now, can you think of what the next steps might be? Yes, we can now take 1 over x as a power on both sides. This cancels the x on the left, and we end up with 4 to the 1 over 64 equals to x to the 1 over x. Now that we have this form, we will use a special trick to solve for x. Can you guess what it is? We need to introduce 4 over 4 in the power on the left, and since this is equal to 1, it does not change the equation. Therefore, we can rewrite the equation as 4 to the power of 4 over 4 times 1 over 64 equals to x to the 1 over x. This form allows us to rewrite the left-hand side as 4 to the power of 4 whole to the power of 1 over 4 times 1 over 64. Now recognizing that 4 to the 4 equals to 4 to the 64, which is equal to 256, we get the equation 256 to the 1 over 256 equals to x to the 1 over x. And of course, comparing both sides, we get x equals 256. A like and subscribe really helps. Thank you.